Hello everyone, my name is Gujar Preeti. I am from group number 4101 and today I am going to tell you about planning of oral rehydration. First of all, we talking about planning of oral rehydration, national policies and priorities, health problems. The setting of national policies for primary health care normally involves the identification of priority health problem in a country. If a country has defined diarrheal disease control as a priority activity within its primary health care program, or it's justified to undertaking detailed evaluation and estimation of its ORS needs. Estimating the demand before a new commercial product is marketed, it is vital to evaluate carefully the demand, publicity need, client purchasing power, necessary investment, and expected sales. Likewise, the health authority should evaluate and justify the provision or production of ORS. Once the amount of ORS required per year has been determined, the Ministry of Health will need to ensure that funds are available for local production or not. National standard dose. It is important that all packets used in the country conform to a national standard dose. This will avoid confusion in the field and reduce the risk of over or under concentration resulting from varying packet or container sizes. The adoption of national standard dose also simplify the development of appropriate promotional and educational material. Standard individual dose. The dose for a 1 liter solution of ORS as provided through UNICEF has been endorsed by in used in the most countries for the local production of ORS. The dose can however be adapted to meet local requirement provided that there is an economic justification for doing so and a prior field study or investigation. Hospital dose. The size of bulk dose should be based on the daily consumption and availability of health facilities. Such doses are generally for solution of 5 to 10 liter or more. Ideal container for daily quantity are plastic thermopost with a cover and spigot for dispensing in the solution into glasses. Technical implication of the chosen dose. The choice of dose of ORS will also have an impact on the packaging material required. For example, 5 dose of 4.1 gram respectively, about 2.5 time more packaging material is required than for a dose of 20.5 gram. Presentation doses from final pharmaceutical product. The recommendation formulation of ORS can be produced in three doses from powder, tablet, and liquid. Physical appearance of the packet. The physical appearance and appearance of ORS packet are very important for its acceptance in the field, such as planning stage of local ORS production. It is advisable to consider carefully not only the ideal dose. A packet resembling the ORS packed supplied by UNICEF and WHO, in which the product is packed in laminated aluminium foil. This choice usually requires subtitanal foreign currency resources in country where aluminium foil is not produced locally. A country specific packet made from the locally available or locally produced packaging material select on the basis of the local climate, available resources. Text and design of level, RECTO verso, like um, focus on the following item: how to measure the required amount of water, showing the amount and a picture of a common container for measuring; how to mix ORS in the water, preferably showing that both elements are poured in a wide mouthed container; the need to stir the resolution, the fact that ORS is best given by spoon to infants, any other health oriented message, specific brand name, option for provision like importation of ORS packed importation of ORS packed, produced and packed a contractual basis by a private packaging company like UNICEF. Local purchase of ORS packets from a local manufacturer in the country, if possible, based on tender. National production, ORS production integrated into a exciting government owned pharmaceutical factory or laboratory. Production of ORS is facilities erected exclusively for the purpose and owned by the government. Approaches to national production, central production, decentral production, integrated or independent ORS production, price of ORS and evaluation of cost. All these things include in planning of rehydration. Thank you.